100 mil.
That's a real leader.
Cilantro. I don't fucking got any. Okay. There's 3 rices, 1 full bean to the rim, and the ground beef still needs a couple minutes. I put it on a low heat so it wouldn't dry out. And then just double check salad bar. I'm gonna start organizing this. When it's new, you gotta like pull up. If you pull like towards you, the strength will just rip up. All right, flatbread, 2 turkey clubs. Just go ahead and bang those out. God damn it. Thing ripped. Just fixed it. Oh yeah, if you want to switch it over to the steamer, go for it. Watson, I need 1 burger, please. Oh, I had Chef D make a 15 count set. In the meantime, I got a case of breast that need to be cleaned. Once that ground beef gets done, that's basically it. Chef Gray gonna drop off some cilantro. We'll chop that up real quick, and some hard shells. You can leave it naked.
Okay.
I'm gonna have Chef D play with it. It's gonna be chicken curry. So I want him to, you know, be able to do whatever he wants with it. So if we just clean them and split them, he can then go from there. Our 18 person, I'm just gonna set up half sheet trays. I got 8 pieces of salmon, 6 pieces of chicken, 6 pastas, 8 rices, 1 of those rice dishes, you know, with the rice, veg. They're gonna get a chicken. Yeah, these are all just like the tallies. And then a small fruit bowl and just like 2 orders of fries. And then 1 burger, flatbreads over there. I'm gonna bang out the turkey real quick. And then I'll have Anderson make a little bowl of fruit to feed 4 people. He already did the chicken thighs. You can split the red potatoes for mash, or if you wanna start half of it after the chicken, you can do that. You gotta find some legs.